Good evening students and welcome back to our online classes of English Language Standard 5th. Students, in our previous period we have seen or we have studied articles, okay? So we have seen the three words a and the, okay? The words a and the, these are known as articles, okay? Among these three words, we have seen that a and are the indefinite articles. And why these are called the indefinite articles? Because they do not point out to a particular person, place, animal or thing. So they are known as the indefinite articles. And we have seen the use of a. And I have told you that we are using a or a before or when we are talking about a particular person, that is singular countable noun, okay? Whenever we are talking about a singular countable noun, at that time we are using a. Or we are talking about the person or a thing for the first time, or we are talking about a thing in general, at that time we are using a, article a, okay? Then we are using it in general, okay? We are using a before a singular countable noun. Now, or when we are talking about a person or thing for the first time. So are you getting it, students? The use of a means the use of a when we are talking about in general, when we are talking about a singular countable noun, okay, that we can count. When we are talking about a singular countable nouns means it is singular, we can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Countable noun means we can count it easily, singular countable noun. Now you know the definition of noun. Noun is a person, place. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So we are using a before a singular countable noun, means we can count it easily, okay? And we are using a before talking when we are talking about the person, place for the first time. So I hope that you have understand this. Now we have studied the use of an, okay? The use of an, we are using an. Now we have seen that in English language there are 26 alphabets, okay? And among that 26 alphabet, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, okay? We have seen that A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels, and the remaining alphabets are the consonants, okay? So whenever the spelling starts with A, E, I, O, U, any one of the alphabet that is a vowel, we are using an before that word, okay? And we have seen the various example. For example, apple, elephant, then ice cream, orange, umbrella. These examples we have seen, and we have to write down and before these words as they are starting with these vowel sounds, okay? Now we are going to study about the definite article, that is the. Now there are some certain rules about that about the use of this definite article the, and which are that rules that we are going to study now. Okay, so let's move forward. Now students, today we are going to learn article the, and this article is the definite article. This article is known as the definite article. And why this the is known as the definite article? Because it points out to a particular person, place, animal or thing. So the is known as the definite article. Okay. Now which are the rules that we have to follow using the article the? Okay. For using this article the, as I have told you students, that we have to use the article the whenever we are talking about a particular person, place, animal or thing. To understand this better, let's study some example. Then you will understand where to use a and the. Okay. Now students, see these two examples. The first example, a man was sailing on a ship to an island. As they were nearing the island, the ship sank and the man had to swim to the island. Okay. Now you can see here the words that I have underlined here are the nouns. A man was sailing on a ship to an island. The words that I have underlined are the nouns. Okay. As they were nearing the island, the ship sank and the man had to swim to the island. Here I have underlined the articles the island, the ship, the man and the island. Now students, see the second example. A traveler was walking for a long time. When he came to an inn, the traveler knocked at the door of the inn and entered inside. The inn was dimly lit and there was no one around. So here you will see that I have underlined the nouns. Okay, and whenever we are talking about when we speak of a noun for the first time, we use a or an, since it can be any person, place or thing. So it means that when we are speaking of a noun for the first time, at that time we are using a or an, whether it may be any person, place, animal or thing. Okay, and when we speak about the noun at the second time, we are using the article the. Okay, as it is clear that we are speaking about that person, place, animal or thing for the second time, that is the particular noun. Okay. With these examples you can see that we speak of a noun for the first time, we use a or an. Whenever we speaking about a noun for the first time, at that time we are using a or an, since it can be any person, place or thing. And when we speak about the same noun again, we use the, as it is clear that we are speaking about that particular noun. Okay, it means that it is very clear that whenever we are speaking about the noun, the particular person for the first time, at that time we are using a or an. Okay, because it can be any person, any place or anything. Okay, so same when we are talking about that particular person or thing, at the second time we are using the article the before that noun. So I hope that this is clear to you. Now let's move forward to see which are the rules to use the article the. Now students, there are some rules that we have to follow for using the article the. Now students, see, the first one is before superlative adjectives. We use the before superlative adjectives. For example, the bravest man, the coldest day, the tallest mountain. Are you getting it, students? Now let's move forward. Let's see the second rule. Now students, the second rule is that before common nouns which are the names of the things unique of their kind, means only one of its kind. Okay, so we are using the before the common nouns which are the unique names of the things unique of their kind. Okay, it means that only one of its kind. Okay, for example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the universe, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the Swiss Alps, the Gita, the Times of India. Times of India is the name of a newspaper. The Gateway of India, like this. Okay, so let's see the third rule. Now student, third rule is that before the name of the countries, we use the before the name of the countries which contain a common noun. Okay, for example, the USA. What is the full form of USA? The United States. States is a noun here of America. Okay, the United States of America, the UK, the UAE, like this. Now we are using the article the in phrases like we landed up at the last moment. Okay, he was the last to arrive. He is the next president. Okay, now see the fifth rule. We use the before the plural proper nouns such as names of the people. For example, the British, the Dutch, okay, the Americans, the Turkish, like this. Now let's see the next rule. Now see the sixth rule. When a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. The is used when a singular common noun used to indicate a whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, here the word dog represents the whole class of the dog. Okay, so we have used here the. Okay, now see the next one. We are using the to refer to a noun that listener knows. When we want to refer a noun that a listener knows, at that time we are using the. The rose you gave me has wilted. Okay, and the next example, have you locked the door? Have you locked the door? Like this. So these are the rules that we have to follow while we are using the article the. Okay, I hope that you have understand this. Okay, so now let's solve question number E. Okay, now question number E, use the correctly in these sentences. Okay, so here are some dialogues. In the first sentence, the dialogues are given. Usha said, Ma, I need to buy a pair of shoes. Pair of shoes means any pair. Okay, so a is used here. Ma, I need to buy a pair of shoes means any pair. Ma said, what about dash dash pair you just got for your birthday? Here we are talking about a particular pair. Okay, so we will use here the. We will use here the. What about the pair you just got for your birthday? Okay, so we are talking here about the particular pair of the shoes. Okay, so we have to use here the. Now see the second sentence. Meera said, may I borrow a pencil? Hira said, what about dash dash pencil you borrowed from me last week? So here we will use here the. Okay, because we are talking about a particular pencil. Okay. Now see the third one. I saw dash dash lion on the street the other day. Okay. I saw dash 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 lion on the street the other day. Here we are talking about any lion. Any lion. So we will use here a. I saw a lion on the street on the other day. Dash dash lion. That particular lion. Here we are talking about a particular lion. So we will use here the lion. The lion stopped, looked at me and said, "Hello little girl." So like this. Now see the fourth one. Now students see the fourth example. Rudyard Kipling was dash dash English story writer. So here the spelling start with E, that is a vowel sound. So we have to use here an. Okay. This word starts English story writer. This word starts English with E vowel sound. So we have to use here an English story writer. So we are referring or we are talking or we are speaking about that writer for the second time. So we have to use here the. The writer was born in Mumbai but later moved to England. Okay. See the next sentence. Many years ago, dash dash little girl was born in dash dash country. Okay. Many years ago, a little girl was born in the country. So we will use here a. A little girl was born in dash dash country. So we will referring to that little girl for the second time. We are speaking about the girl here for the second time. So we will use here the. The country called Romania, and again dash dash. The name of this little girl was Nadia. So we will use here the, because we are speaking about the girl for the second time. The name of that little girl was Nadia, which means hope. So in this way we have finished exercise or question number E, and I hope that you have understand it very well. Okay. So once again I just want to tell you that we are using articles A and the. When we are talking we are using the article A when we are talking about singular countable noun. Okay. And for the first time we are talking about the person or a thing for the first time. At that time we are using the indefinite article, that is a and we are using the article and before a vowel sound. When the spelling starts with a vowel sound, at that time we are using and when we want to talk about a particular person or when we are speaking about the person for the second time, at that time we are using the article the. We have seen the various rules. When we are talking about the superlative degree, at that time we are using the before that superlative degree. Okay. And whenever we are talking about the special names of the countries or the rivers or the mountains, at that time we are using the article, definite article the. So in this way we have completed this lesson, but not completed the exercise. That still we have to complete, and we will continue that in the next period. Hope you are getting it. And so this brings me to end of the lesson. I would like to stop here. Keep on smiling and continue learning. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.